up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Treese. I'm back with another video. I guess I can take this off and look somewhat presentable, but in today's video I just got done doing the dishes and I seen a package and it was for me, and I was like, okay, cool. But I'm just gonna give me some lotion really quickly. Yeah, I'm just gonna give me some lotion really quickly because, like I said, I just got done doing the dishes, and I don't know about y'all, but when I get done doing the dishes, my hands be so dry. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. I don't even know why I took that bonnet off. Y'all know how I look, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I be presentable under the bonnets. But yeah, so I got a package from Forever 21. I didn't get any shipping labels or anything from in my email, so it just literally like appeared on my doorstep. I mean, I understand it's like high demand right now because it's Christmas time and all that stuff, but Forever 21, y'all need to do better because somebody could have stole my package. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, let's reveal what I got. This is the first thing I got. It is a jumbo scrunchie, and it's made out of the teddy bear material. This is so cute. I need a knife or some scissors. I'm gonna just get a knife since I'm already in the kitchen. Hold on for 2 seconds. I'm really telling y'all, hold on, like y'all finna go somewhere. Ow, did I poke myself? No, I didn't. I want to open this right now. Yeah, I'm a sucker for anything jumbo and teddy bear. Like, I have a whole teddy bear hoodie. Ouch, that really hurt. But this is so cute. This is too cute. I really like this. Oh, I don't have... My hair is not out. This would be perfect if my hair was out, but my hair is not out right now, so yeah, we just finna... Hold on. This is so cute. I love it. It don't really look right because my hair is in braids right now, but when my hair is like out, y'all, let's see what I'm talking about. The next thing I got are some earrings. These are some studs. These are cute. And then these are a K. These are cute. I'm finna put these on right now. Hold on. Let's see what these look like in the ear. That's so cute. I love stuff that's like initials and stuff. For example, I have a K anklet, and then I have a Cancer anklet, and then I have this 1998 piece, and then this one says Black Child. That's cute. Oh yeah, that's cute. Next. Oh, another one? This is another jumbo scrunchie. I got some black ones because I colored my hair black, so this is like corduroy material. Ooh, this finna be cute in my hair. Next. Oh, I got this one. This is cute. I got this color because I have 2 pair of sweatpants that match this color. So I got this color too. This is cute. Okay, so I did pretty good. I think these were like $4, $5, but I have sweatpants that literally are this color, so I had to get that one. And then, you know, I had to get the black one because my hair is black. And then I got the teddy bear one because it's made out of like teddy bear material. Now this makes me want to take my hair down, but I'm not finna to because I spent all that time doing my hair. So I'm finna wear these braids until they look shabby. I got too much. Okay, there we go. Boom. And my little K. These are cute too. I wonder if these will fit my second hole. Let's see. That kind of look too big. It's okay. Because I can just wear them in my first hole. That's really cute. Actually. That's real cute. I could really wear it like this, like a K and then that right there. I think that's cute. I don't know, I'm kind of different like that. But these are really, really cute. Love them. So yeah. Yeah, these are cute. All right, y'all, but I'm finna put the K's back in because these are cute. I like things that dangle and hang. That didn't come out right. Anyway. So yeah, Forever 21, they had a sale on their scrunchies. And yeah, that's all I got in this box. This one and this one. I love this material. I wish they had one in brown. They did have one in brown, but it didn't match the material. It didn't match the same shade as my hoodie, so I didn't get it. But this is so cute. I love the teddy bear. Anything teddy material, I love that. Like, I was gonna get that Marc Jacobs purse because it had like the teddy bear material. But then I saw the price and I was like, I'm not paying that much for a bag that I'm only gonna use during the winter time. Like, you got me fucked up. But anyways, yeah, no. But yeah, that's what I got. In the black and then the teddy bear material. And then I got these earrings and then these earrings from Forever 21. They look like that. I thought they were gonna be smaller. These are cute. I'll wear them. If not, I'll give them to my niece. These can be her Christmas present if she wants them. So that'll be one kid less that I have to shop for. Yeah, my brother got 6 kids. And they all gotta get a gift. Like, what? The disrespect. Anyways, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I have to do my braids over again because my part in the back is so messed up. Let me show y'all. Y'all see that part in the back? Girl. Actually, I'm really not finna give a fuck. I'm finna just rock it like this. Because I don't go too many places anyway, so it's really not gonna matter. So I'm finna put this bonnet back on. And go. Ooh, I'm trying to get all of them in there. Okay. All right, y'all, so this has been my Forever 21 haul. I just wanted to unbox. This was real random, but I just wanted to share with y'all what I got. This is, you know, this is what was my unboxing, unpackaging my Forever 21 stuff that I got. So yeah, let me know what's your favorite store. Let me know if you love Forever 21. I love their sweatpants. Forever 21 sweatpants are bomb. And their tights, bomb. Yeah, their graphic tees, bomb. They just dropped this Hello Kitty collection, bomb. It was real cute. So yeah, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. And follow my TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And I'll see y'all in another video.